What if you could create a visual roadmap to the dream life, one that sparks joy, motivates you daily, and aligns with your future goal? In this video, I'm going to talk about why vision boards are not just a simple board covered with pictures and words. They are a powerful tool for transforming your future and awakening the desire for something more in your life. Vision boards are more than just cutting out pictures and pinning them to a board. They're about setting clear intentions, reawakening your creativity, and aligning with your mindset with the future that you truly want. They are a mental representation. They help you reconnect with your dreams and bring your aspirations back into focus. Whether you're dreaming of a new career, better health, or simply more joy, a vision board can help you stay focused, stay motivated, and create the roadmap to the life that you've always envisioned. Here's some of the science that supports why they work. The first one is vision boards facilitate visualization, which activates the brain's reticular activating system, RAS for short. This is like the filtering system in our brain. When you visualize your goals or something you want, your brain starts noticing opportunities and resources that align with those goals or the things that you want, making it easier to notice and take action. I'll give you a personal example. I wanted an aura ring. Since I've had that image of what I wanted, all of a sudden I started noticing it on everyone in person, and videos that I was watching on YouTube. I had never noticed it before, but because the image was in my mind, I was able to filter what I wanted. I was able to notice it more. So the RAS, the reticular activating system, acts like a mental filter. It decides what information gets your attention and what gets tuned out. When you create a vision board, you're training your RAS to notice opportunities, ideas, inspiration, and actions that align with what you want. That's why vision boards are so powerful. They help your brain focus on what truly matters, mostly based on the images that you have created. They're also a powerful concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself at any age. When you use visualization, you strengthen the neural pathways that support new habits, beliefs, and behaviors that align with your goals and dreams. Vision boards provide visual cues that speak directly to your subconscious, helping your brain emotionally connect with your goals and begin to believe that they're possible. So now that you have an understanding of why vision boards are so powerful, from how the brain responds to images to how they activate your mindset, let's walk through some simple steps to create one that truly aligns with your goals and dreams. So, step one, set your intention. First, take a moment to reflect. What do you really want for your future? Maybe it's better health, a career pivot, or more joy and freedom in your daily life. Write down your top goals to guide your vision board. It's important to start with clarity. What areas of your life do you want to transform? Health, career, relationships, personal growth, spirituality. You can create a mind map for this, taking the time to think about each area. What feelings or experiences do you want more of? Write down clear, specific goals or intentions. So, for example, in a health area, lose 10 pounds by December. This exercise is or gaining clarity can take more than a day. So I recommend that you do take more than a day because you don't want to rush this first step. Clarity and being specific is, I believe, the most important part. So for step two, you gather your supplies. You'll need a poster board or even a digital Canva. Works great. Then grab images that represent your desires from magazines, printouts, or Google Images. These images that represent the goals and desires, along with scissors, glues, push pins, markers. This is the chance to get creative. You'll need a board. So it's up to you whether you want it digital or physical. Make it personal. I've included a link to the Canva template if you want to create a digital copy. In addition to a poster board, something that I also do is make a Canva copy and glue it to my personal monthly agenda. And I also have it as a screensaver. And this helps me stay focused on my goals. So step three is that now you have clarity and the supplies, find the images, quotes, and words that truly speak to you. Find additional visuals that resonate and organize those based on your goals and your desires. So, for example, if you're dreaming of traveling, choose pictures that of that dream destination, flight details, phrases like best trip ever. If you want better health, include words like strong, vitality, or pictures of healthy living. Continue to search for images and words and quotes that align with your intention. Look for visuals that spark emotion. This emotional connection helps reinforce your goal. I don't believe in doing this randomly without planning and taking the time to getting clear in step one and finding the images that resonate with you. And this is my opinion. It's the two most important steps. So step four is to assemble your board thoughtfully, arranging the visuals and the vision boards and organizing them by sections like career, health, relationships, or mixing it all together. Either way, make it feel personal and exciting, making it something that you enjoy looking at. I like to separate mine in sections. Another thing I do is also I create a vision journal for individual goals. I enjoy the process of flipping through the pages and seeing the visuals that in my mind represent the goal. Whatever works for you to help you focus. As you're creating your board, set the environment, play music, sounds, all along with intention. The goal is to assemble with intention and feeling. Place your items on the board thoughtfully. You could use the center for your biggest goal or theme, or arrange them however is appealing to you and sparks that emotion. Step five is to place it where you'll see it daily. Your vision board only works if you see it often. Put it somewhere visible, like your bedroom or your office. If you're creating a digital, save it as a screensaver on your phone or your desktop wallpaper. This keeps your goals front and center every day, which trains your brain to stay focused on achieving them. This old saying is true, which says, out of sight, out of mind. Your mind naturally gravitates towards the dominant images that you consistently see. That's why what you place before your eyes so powerfully, it shapes where you move toward. Step six would be to review and take action. You have to take action. It's not enough to just look at it. You need to visualize and take the steps towards it. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving the goals on the board. But remember, it's not just about dreaming, it's about doing, breaking your big dreams into small, actionable steps and work on them daily. And if one of your goals is to lose 10 pounds by December, some of the actions could be starting your day by drinking lemon water, exercising 3 to 4 days a week, eating 80% healthy. Whatever action is needed to support your goal or your vision, those action steps could be recorded in your journal. The more you look at that image in your ideal future, the more that you desire them, the more persistent you become to fulfill them, and also look for opportunities to support them. So, step 7 is to trust the process and believe in yourself and your vision. Vision boards work because they keep you focused, motivated, and aligned with your future. Pair that focus with action, and the results will be amazing. Trust in your ability to achieve your dream. A vision board is a tool, but your belief and effort on what brings it to life. Creating a vision board is one of the most empowering things that you can do as a step into your next chapter. Something else that I've just been introduced to by Joe Dispenza is a mind movie. If you want me to make a video explaining it and walking you through the process, please let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to make. So I hope that this video has inspired you to create your vision and to start dreaming of new possibilities in your life. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comments or share your vision board journey. I would love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content about living your best life over 50. See you in the next video. Bye.